Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Ansys Motor-CAD to export a design script file to run in Ansys Maxwell to automatically create the model in Maxwell with all the design settings and the model setup already complete. You won't have to do anything else except run the simulation and then analyze the results. So what we do is, for example, have a Motor-CAD design open. You can go to Tools, select Ansys Electronic Desktop. The default export format is Ansys Electronic Desktop, and use the file extension .vbs, Visual Basic Script. And we have all these settings here to choose and to update if you want. And I have chosen, let's choose 3D and choose not to solve. I want to run the script first in Maxwell, show you how long it takes to create the model, right? Which is literally like a minute, and then run the simulation after that. So then you have to choose here a file. So let me see. So here, BPM, right? This is a brushless permanent magnet motor from Motor-CAD to Maxwell, right? So here, click Save and Export. Now go to the Maxwell project. You don't need to have the project open yet. All you literally just need to do, go click the automation tab, run the script, choose a script that you exported from Motor-CAD into Maxwell, click open, and we count literally not even a minute. It's creating the geometry. You see the core created, the hairpin windings of the motor is being created at the, at this instant. We see being generated automatically, and in the process we see the excitation for the windings is being set up. All the geometry parameters are parameterized, so all objects have a name, and which can be modified as desired after the model is created. And all the plots, not all, but some plots typically that you would like to see for a motor are automatically set up. Let's see if it's done. Okay, it looks to be done, and the model is created using half symmetry. This is because let's go back to the Motor-CAD. So in the Motor-CAD, we click this calculation tab, input data, calculation. We see that use symmetry was selected, and if we go to the eMagnetics tab and we click FE editor, FEA pass, we see that the Motor-CAD model is a half symmetry model because we see the outline, right? And this is spanning from 0 to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees, half a model. That's why in Motor-CAD, in Maxwell, we have a half symmetry model. And now to run this, everything's set up. We just literally just right click setup, select analyze, and about 3.5 minutes or maybe 4.5 minutes, the simulation will be completed. All the results will be available. This simulation is running for 1 cycle, and the results will be in steady state. And as an example, so let's see for the geometry, right? So this is a copper winding. So we can see here the properties. So the parameters include diameter of the gap, the yoke, the length of the motor, screw angle, etc. These winding dimensions, right? So if you're a Motor-CAD, if you're a motor expert, you'll be familiar with these standard dimensions. And if you're not a motor expert, then Ansys Maxwell is a good way to learn, because everything here is set up for you with descriptions of different parameters. So you'll be able to process this information, take your time, learn from it, and then develop your understanding of motor design and become an expert. So this tool works well for experts and those who want to become experts. So let's see the progress of the results. So we see that the induced voltages plots are being generated right now, and this the setup is using it's running for 1 cycle and 30 time steps. So the one cycle is divided by 30, right? Everything, every single parameter, every variable is parameterized. Everything is written in terms of expressions. So the setup is in terms of expressions, right? The stop time, time stop. Going back to the geometry, we have all the copper windings, all parameterized. We also have the core objects parameterized, and the material assignments already set up, already defined. Okay, so once the model is the script is run in Maxwell, literally as you saw, within a minute the half symmetry 3D models created, and less than 5 minutes the simulation will be completed, and then you will see the final result. So the simulation is still running, and maybe like it's almost done running, so we can see the currents, drive currents, flux linkage plots, torque plots, etc. All right. Also, mesh operations for the cylindrical gap is automatically set up. We see the setup here for the motion. So if we click this, we see the moving objects assignment. We see the motion setup. This is for type is rotation, data initial position, right? We can see what that value is next, and mechanical angular velocity, right? Machine RPM. So let's see, machine RPM and initial position. So if we click the design, we can see, we can expand this, we can see the parameters. Let's see, initial position right here, negative 15 degrees, and machine RPM is 3000 RPM. And we can see now where we are. Okay, almost done. So we can see the minimum values for, in this case, the voltage, the average voltage, and the maximum voltage, right? So still running, not done yet, almost done. So that is all for this video. If you like this video, give it a like. So contact us to learn about our simulation capability and request a demonstration for us to show you how we can help you with your engineering projects. We provide training to use Ansys tools and offer consulting services. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and have a nice day.